What's up? How you doing?
Good.
That pipe feels really nice, doesn't it?
It really does. I'm about to fall asleep.
Yeah. Don't fall in love. She's got a boyfriend. You want a coffee? Coffee? Oh, wow.
You're looking good, bro. That's your styling.
Oh, Vento.
Louder.
No.
You should sign up for the American Idol.
I'm gonna. The singing barber.
I did it. Didn't go good. Yeah, let's smile together. Ready? Here we go. Smiling?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna be famous.
Really?
Yeah. Let's go. Get up. Get up, on yet?
Yemingen, yeah. Yemingen. When the book you chill. Oh, lovers. We're lovers. Alright, bud.
Damn, bro.
Next time we're gonna relax his. Kind of go relax it. Yeah.
Alright.
Because it won't make it all straight.
No.
We're gonna shave him today. Come on.
There,
Leroy,
man.
let's shave him off.
Leroy.
Giuseppe, what do you think?
Nah, you
I
gotta
tell
leave
you,
him.
he's jealous.
See, a couple years ago, they were nice and tame. They were a little shorter, like nice. Now you look like you're a hillbilly from like.
I am. I'm from
You're not
PA.
a hillbilly.
What do you think I am?
You're from Italy. You know, just shave them off when you for the camera by glue-ons. We'll just tape them out right there.
Like he did?
yeah, yeah.
Bust my chops.
Yeah, I love that.
The
That
shop
was great.
with glue
That
on
was a
things.
great. I called it too. I did.
One was crooked.
The April Fool's joke. Look at these things.
You know you love
And one is different
Yo,
than the
pat
other.
him. I'll let you pat him.
One's at a different angle. It's like one's like.
It's not a different angle. Get the hell out of here.
Why are there different angles? Look.
You're a different angle.
Come on.
Go ahead, you can pat him.
Oh, so nice. It's
I
nice.
kind of like that.
They look so dumb. I hate these things. Can't stand them. Don't laugh. I'm gonna f them up. I'll blame you for messing them up. Taking over the world, one sideburn at a time.
Oh, chop
Hey.
pieces.
Oh, Johnny.
Like my parents over here. Stop. Ow.
Putting this in being the quad.
Okay, you can pat him. You don't have to.
One more pat before he goes. Look. All set, buddy. All right, look.
Wait, the camera's not in
We're good?
focus. It's not in focus.
Yo, can I pose and we'll do some shots? I'll lay down on the floor.
No. Okay.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Don't smile. Don't smile. He's sitting there. Right, come.
Ready?
That wasn't good. This thing really rolls. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, here I go. Taking over the world. This hugging thing, I can't do that. Sit back.
No, you gotta do that.
No, because we're hugging each other.
All right,
Good,
ready?
good, good. Ready? Here we
Yep.
go.
Taking
over the world.
There you go.
One set of haircuts at a time.
One side.